everyone, this is Lawrence Abarquez and welcome to Video Escuela. For this video, I will share to you different attributes of learning and motor learning. Sounds interesting, right? So what are we waiting for? Let's begin. First, learning. And these are some attributes of learning. Learning is a lifelong process. Yes, of course. We can learn anything for as long as we live in this world because it is part of our lives. Since it is part of our lives, learning is everywhere. Everywhere we go, we can learn something new that makes us grow as a person. Because learning also occurs randomly throughout life. It doesn't have steps in order for us to learn. For as long as we wanted to learn, then we can learn. Next is, learning is the process of acquiring information. Whenever we acquire something new by ourselves, we can learn. But if we wanted to learn a lot about something, we need to have a companion because learning also requires interaction. Interacting to others can be helpful when it comes to learning. We can interact to others by simply doing an activity because learning also involves an activity. By that, we cannot just learn, but also we can build good relation to others. We all know that change is the only constant, and through change, we can improve. That is why learning involves change for us to improve ourselves to become better than ever. But learning can be developed through experience. That is why experience is necessary for learning so that we can learn effectively. Next, let's proceed to motor learning. And these are some attributes of motor learning. Motor learning involves movements that are executed more quickly and accurately with practice, which means that we can learn something by involving ourselves into different situations, which we can use our body to learn something because motor learning also requires body movements. By involving ourselves into different situations, we can develop and acquire skills because motor learning focuses on the acquisition of skills. Motor learning can be achieved through applied skills. Exactly, because when we apply our skills, we use body movements. That is why we can say that motor learning occurs because it is evident through body movements or actions. For as long as our body can move, we can learn better. It doesn't matter of how you behave. As long as you are functional, then you can learn. Because motor learning relates with the behavior shown by a person. Any kinds of movements still belong to motor learning because it does not rely on single area. Motor learning is characterized by more subtle movements. Consistency, persistence, effort, attention, and adaptability are the indicators of motor learning. That's all for this video. Hope that you learned something about different attributes of learning and motor learning. Thank you for watching.